Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study gross anatomy in medical school. To truly master this subject, begin by understanding the clinical significance of each structure. Don't just memorize names, grasp their function and relationships. Integrate various resources like lectures, textbooks, and high-quality atlases. Most importantly, actively engage with the material, especially through hands-on experience in the dissection lab. This foundational approach will build a strong understanding. Once you have a foundational understanding, employ effective study techniques. Develop comprehensive study guides and flashcards for active recall of structures and their connections. Drawing anatomical diagrams from memory is incredibly powerful for solidifying spatial relationships. Consider forming a study group. Teaching others and quizzing each other on identification points can significantly enhance your retention and clarify complex areas. Aim for consistent, focused practice. Maximizing your resources is crucial for success in anatomy. Always integrate a high-quality anatomical atlas with your textbook readings to visualize structures clearly. Utilize online question banks and interactive anatomy applications for self-assessment and to test your knowledge. Don't hesitate to attend review sessions offered by your institution and actively ask questions to clarify any difficult concepts. These tools provide diverse perspectives and reinforce learning. The dissection lab offers an unparalleled learning experience. Dedicate ample time to identifying structures directly on the cadaver. This hands-on approach solidifies your three-dimensional understanding. Crucially, always relate your anatomical knowledge to common clinical scenarios and patient presentations. Furthermore, review various imaging modalities such as X-rays, CT scans, and MRIs to see how anatomy appears in a clinical context. This integration is vital for future practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.